What's going on, everybody? Everything credit here. This client got a nice little update. 83 points on TransUnion, 95 on Experian, 711 on Equifax is his new score. Getting there. These things take time. This is round 2, just so everybody knows. As you can see, the date was re-imported yesterday, May 16th. Previously it was pulled on April 9th. If anybody's interested in signing up, you can call, text, or email me. You can also visit my website, as well as the website for credit monitoring, which is MyFreeScoreNow. I'll leave both links in the description of the video. Hope y'all have a great Tuesday.